Hello, good evening, viewers. You are welcome into this tutorial. We are going to be looking at this rational expression. Okay, so what are we going to do? So I want to simplify this to a simplest form. Okay, so what am I going to do? I have 1 minus root a over 1 plus root a, then minus 3 plus root a over 1 minus a, then plus 3 root a over 1 minus root a. So what will be the simplest form of this? So that what I'm going to do is that here and this, I'm going to rationalize them first. So this is what I'm going to do. 1 minus root a over 1 plus root a. So I'm going to rationalize this by multiplying both numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. 1 minus root a all over 1 minus root a. So you can see that if I go for that, this is going to be 1 minus root a times 1 minus root a. So this is going to give me 1. Are you getting it now? Then 1 times 1 minus 1 times this, we have minus root a. Minus root a times 1, we have minus root a. Then minus root a times minus root a, that will give me plus root a all squared. Are you following? Then divided by, so this is going to be 1 times 1. So this is like difference of 2 squared. Is going to be 1 squared minus root a squared. So now lastly, you're going to have this to be 1 minus root a minus root a is going to give me minus root a, then plus this square, we cancel the square root, we have what? We have a, then divided by 1 minus, this will be what? This will be a. So that is for the first one. Now we look for the second one, which is the last term here. So let me do the solve rationalization. So we have 3 root a all over 1 minus root what? Root a. So the same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to rationalize by multiplying this by 1 plus root a, the conjugate of the denominator, 1 plus root a. And that's going to give us this times this is going to be 3 root a. That is 3 root a times 1, we have this. 3 root a times root a, we're going to have 3 root a all squared, then divided by, so this is difference of 2 squares, so it is going to be 1 squared minus root a all squared. When you multiply this and this together, this is what you're going to have. So this is going to be 3 root a, then plus this square, we cancel the square root, we have 3a over 1 minus what? 1 minus a. So now look at this one too. So now let's now plug everything back to the main. Now we put everything back to the main equation, our main problem. So 1 minus root a, you can see 1 minus root a is what we have here. So I'm going to put it, that is 1 minus 2 root a plus a all over 1 minus a, then minus, for this one we have 3 there, 3 plus root a over 1 minus a. I didn't tamper this, so I'm going to bring it down. So I have 3 plus root a, then all over 1 minus a. Then the last one, which is what? Which is 3 root a over this, has been simplified to be what? To be, we have plus 3 root a plus 3a all over 1 minus a. So this is interesting. You can see now that these are having the same denominator. So we can now have just one denominator, then add all of this together at a time, right? So we're going to be having 1 minus 2 root a plus a, then minus into bracket 3 plus root a plus 3 root a plus 3a. So now let's try to simplify further. So we have 1 minus 2 root a plus a. Using this negative sign to open the bracket, we are going to be having minus 3 minus root a, then plus 3 root a plus 3a all over 1 minus a. Are you following? So now we go further. Now let's try to simplify. So simplifying this, you can see we have minus 2 root a here. We have minus root a here, which is going to give us minus 3 root a. So therefore, this we cancel, this we cancel, this we cancel. So now this we cancel because minus 2 root a minus root a will give us minus 3 root a, and we have plus 3 root a. So therefore, this we cancel. Then we will be left with 1 here. We have minus 3 here, and we have 3a here, and I have a here. So a plus 3a, that is 4a, right? Then I have 1 minus 3 here. That is going to give me, that is plus 1 minus 3 all over 1 minus a. Okay, so now 4a plus 1 minus 3. So this is going to be 4a. So minus 1 minus 3, that will give us minus 2. Then 1 minus a. So therefore, that is the solution. Okay, so let's try to combine it together. Now we have 1 minus root a, that is the problem given to us, has now been simplified as a single fraction as 4a minus 2 over 1 minus a. So here our a cannot be 1, right? A cannot be 1 here. And that's the end of the class. If you're enjoying the class, kindly share this to your colleagues. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.